What is up? Welcome back, my fam. Back again with another reaction video. Of course, what I think it's gonna be. It's a RWBY. Volume 4. Chapter 2. Remembrance. I forgot to say the title of the first episode, but I'm sure you guys know it already. So you've probably seen them all, and I'm just catching up finally. Without any further ado, let's just get into the episode. I'm sorry I keep looking at the viewfinder. It's been a while. I gotta get out of that habit again. Look right there at you guys. Alright, let's just get into this episode. No more little fluff, blah, 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 blah. I just want to watch this. Alright? And I'm just knocking everything around. And a 3, and a 2, and a 1. RWBY time. No Bad to Nowhere, episode 8. Are those good episodes? If I will, react to those too. Oh, and I do have ERV coming. I already recorded an episode. I'm not telling you which one it is, but it'll be up soon. It's pretty fucking funny too. I am gonna try to do all the RVs. If you guys want, I'll stop from the beginning to the end. But I already did one that's somewhere in the middle. I just saw it and I was really cool. Wise. That's cool. Double-headed serpent fighting each other. It's like a sign of her inner struggles. So I'm guessing. She's bearing with herself.
Good afternoon, sister. A pleasure to see you out of your room for a change.
Hello, Whitley. You're in a cheery mood today.
Klein made crepes for breakfast.
What do you want?
I heard Father shouting was sewing in his study earlier.
Mother?
No, she's already drinking in the garden. I think it was a man.
She's already drinking in the garden.
I just wanted to warn you. I heard he had asked to speak with you.
I'll be fine.
I know you will. You're strong, like winter.
You never liked winter.
True, but you can't deny her resolve.
You seem different.
Mm-hmm.
And you've been gone. I'll have you know I didn't stop growing while you were away at Beacon. Anyway, good luck with Father.
Thank you.
Whoa. Oh, that was sour. Oh,
So the next
oh, that was sour.
is...
Ooh. Oh. Oh my god, that was sour.
We're not lost. The next town is Shield.
Oh,
My
man.
family used to visit it all the time.
Oh yeah. Don't you have like 4 sisters?
7.
Damn.
You know, that actually explains a lot.
Hmm?
Wait, look at me.
So, what did you guys do today?
Oh, all sorts of stuff.
Toy John.
Over here is a great hiking trail, and over here is where we went camping all the time. I got my own tent because I was special. Also, so my sisters would stop braiding my hair.
Didn't like the look?
Yeah, they just kept doing pigtails, but personally I think I'm more of a warrior's wolf tail kind of guy.
That's just a ponytail.
I stand by what I said.
Guys?
What?
Oh yeah, guys. Hope you had a good Christmas and everything.
Drivers.
Over here.
I had a great Christmas. I got a whole case Gatorades for Christmas. Got 24 of them.
Husband.
What happened? Who killed all of these people?
Bandits. The whole tribe. And with all the panic. Grim.
All right, we can get him to the next village and try to find a doctor there.
Yeah, Red and I can take turns carrying him.
I don't know if he'll make it.
He will. He has to.
If we get going now, his chances will be better. I can run ahead and look for help.
Guys.
Should we marry him?
We should go. It's not safe here.
Ren. It'll be okay.
I'm just tired of losing everything.
I'm not talking about the good of my company. I'm talking about the good of our entire kingdom.
That is a load of garbage and you know it.
I beg your pardon.
Jacques, will you please just hear me out?
You are a trusted friend and ally to this family, James. But what you're suggesting is absurd.
You are blowing it out of proportion.
The council will never agree to it.
You forget. I hold 2 seats on the council.
Your dust embargo has already cost me millions. I can promise you I have not forgotten.
So this is about you. Mishni, my apologies. I should have been gone by now.
It's okay.
We'll continue this at another time.
Indeed. Klein can show you out.
Don't worry, I know the way. Until next time, John. Please know, you'll always have a home at Atlas Academy, Mishni. We'll be back in session before you know it.
Did you forget your manners while you were away?
No, Father. I'm sorry.
Can you believe there are still people in the world that blame Atlas for what happened to Beacon? To Vale?
Well, they weren't there.
To wonder Ironwood wasn't stripped of his rank. I suppose the council trusts him, for better or worse.
I trust him.
Thanks to him, Atlas is forbidden from exporting dust to other kingdoms. A precautionary measure, as he puts it, until we're certain no one is going to declare war. How anyone could possibly find that to be sound logic is beyond me. Which is why the Schnee Dust Company will be holding a charity concert in the coming weeks. We need to show the people of Remnant that we are on their side.
I'm sure they
That
want
we
her to
are
sing.
all victims of the fall of Beacon.
That's wonderful news.
I know. And I think it would make a lot of people happy if you performed at the event.
Excuse me?
I knew it.
Many forget that you were there. My own daughter, a Schnee, on the grounds defending another kingdom. We need to remind them. And we need to show them that the Schnee family is just as strong as ever.
Are you asking me if I'd like to sing or telling me?
I think it would make a lot of people happy.
Ooh, excuse me.
I'll start practicing.
That's my girl.
I don't trust him. He has that look on his, like, something's up.
Hot coffee, Miss Schnee? I always find he keeps his study dreadfully cold.
Why does he look familiar?
Thank you, Klein.
You know what I think?
I think it's to balance out all his hot air.
Klein?
Apologies, madam. Oh, there's my happy little snowflake.
How does he change his eye color
Thank you,
like that?
Klein.
That's crazy.
All right, John. Just like we practiced. Follow these instructions.
Aww.
Shield up. Keep your grip tight. Don't forget to keep your front foot forward. Ready? Go. Again. And again. Okay. Now, assuming you aren't cheating, we can take a break. I know this can be frustrating. And it can feel like so much effort to progress such a small amount. But I want you to know that I'm proud of you. I've never met someone so determined to better themselves. You've grown so much since we started training. And I know this is just the beginning. John, I want you to know that I'm just happy to be a part of your life. I'll always be here for you, Sean. All right, Sean. Just like we practiced. Follow these instructions. Shield up. Keep your grip tight. Don't forget to keep your front foot forward. Ready? Go. Again. And again.
That was sad, man. That was really sad. Poor John. Oh, man. I don't know what to say. It's just... Man, that was rough. The end of the episode, man. It was starting out good. The never end of the episode, man. I had to go into up here and everything. Oh, God, why? Every time they bring her up, I get so freaking worked up and sad. Damn. Alright, guys. I was emotional. Thanks for watching, like always. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to do more, I will. Because I'm going to anyways. Well, anyways, yeah. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Share with your friends if you like my reactions. You think your friends will like my reactions? If they haven't watched RWBY yet, they can start watching with me because I was new to it when I first watched it. So yeah, I'm so glad all my friends and you guys kept me going to watch this. Thank you so much. Until next time, peace out, and I love you all. Bye.